Today we're going to talk about thesis statements, and I know that you have probably written some form of a thesis statement 100 different times in your English classes, but it's something that we still struggle with when we're writing. So I wanted to sort of break down the steps that you've already done to make you feel like you are ready to write a thesis statement, and then show you how to change a statement of opinion into an argumentative thesis. Okay? So our first steps as we are writing this semester and looking at thesis statements are to choose your topic, which you have done. We have brainstormed to narrow down that topic. So if you chose something really broad, we've brainstormed ways to narrow it down to something more specific. The third step is to research the issue. So you may think you know something about it, but we needed to find resources that back up your opinion. And then the fourth step is to form an opinion about all of this. Okay, so that's the step we're going to start at today. Once we form that opinion, we'll shift into making an argument out of that opinion, because a thesis statement is seeking to prove something. Okay? So the example that I have created for you today is about domestic violence. So this is my form an opinion step, and the opinion that I formed was, I believe that domestic violence is a problem because it creates tension in households, demonstrates poor anger management resolution, and leads to physical and emotional scarring. Okay, so the opinion piece of this is where I say, I believe, I talk about my topic, and then I just list the reasons why. Okay, so it's sort of like this step before you get to the final thesis statement. So this is just what I think about my topic. In order to shift it into something more specific and more formal, we have to do a few things. So you're going to want to put in a piece that addresses the actual argument, and then still include those reasons, okay? So when I was shifting my opinion to a formal thesis statement, this is what I came up with. Domestic violence is an issue that should be addressed more openly by the law and public because it creates tension in households, demonstrates poor anger management resolution, and leads to physical and emotional scarring. So I bracketed off the piece that's the actual argument. In the opinion, we just talked about the topic and what we thought about it, but in the final formal thesis statement, we have to say what we hope will change, what argument that we are making based on this topic, okay? So the final version should still have your topic, still have the things that you want to talk about, but also a resolution that you're seeking, okay?